To purchase cryptocurrency using Transak, start by visiting transak.com and navigating to the top right corner of the website, where you'll find the Buy, Sell Crypto option. Click on this, and then select whether you're buying as an individual or a business. You can also choose to buy stable coins or meme coins. But for this purpose, select Buy, Sell as an individual. Once the page loads, switch to the Buy section, as you're looking to buy cryptocurrency. From here, select the amount you'd like to pay in your preferred currency, in this case, let's say $500 USD. You can choose from various payment methods, including card payments like Visa or MasterCard, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. The fees associated with your transaction are also displayed, and you can view the rate of exchange for the cryptocurrency you're interested in, such as the value of 1 ETH in USD. If you'd like to purchase a different cryptocurrency, simply select the network and currency you prefer, for example, XRP. Once you've selected your payment method, click Buy Now and enter your wallet address, which is required to receive the cryptocurrency. If necessary, you can also include a destination tag, but be sure to check if the receiving address requires one first after entering the required information. Complete the transaction by paying with your chosen method, and the cryptocurrency will be sent to the address you provided.